Welcome back to another video. Today we have a 2016 Ford F150 with the four-wheel drive system. Our problem is that on a higher speed, 70-80 mile cruise speed, we are hearing some grinding noise coming from the front end. Since it's a four-wheel drive system, it has a IWE, it's short for integrated wheel end system. It's a vacuum-based system to engage different driving modes. That's the vacuum solenoid, and that's the little, this one is here is a little check valve to stop the vacuum leaking back. We are going to replace both of these parts, and this will resolve our grinding issue on the front end. So the grinding issue, what it is, it's your front wheel hubs are trying to engage, and that's where the grinding noise comes from. So we're gonna go ahead, pop the hood. So you can find your check valve assembly right here and your solenoid assembly right there. Very simple procedure to remove it. Disconnect the electrical connector. As you see, the stop line from the booster is gonna go into this assembly here and connects to the bottom of this solenoid. Once you remove this, you can remove the other line that runs on top of the solenoid. Once you've removed this, there is a little corner holding the solenoid in spot. It's removed now. Gonna install it in reverse order, slide it back in, unlock it, just like this. Now we can go ahead and remove this assembly here, replace it with this one here. Me trying to do it with one hand. Anyway, this one goes back here. This little one goes on the bottom port of the solenoid. We're gonna slide it all the way in, make sure it's nice and tight. Other one goes to the top. Connect our electrical connector, and this one I'm gonna use probably need to use my other hand or not. And there we go. That's all you need to do. I'm gonna put it here. That's probably where it's supposed to be at the first place anyway. Job done. No grinding noise from the front. Let me go ahead and show you again the part numbers. Part number 1 and part 2. Solenoid is wholesale price $32, and for the rubber hose assembly here, just $19. So you can go ahead and find these parts either from the dealer, or you can order them from online for a little cheaper. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.